When your systems go down, production stops. And in manufacturing, every minute of downtime costs you money. But too many Houston manufacturers are stuck with IT providers who are slow to respond and don't understand how your operations actually work. So instead of focusing on production, you're dealing with IT issues, wondering if your systems will fail when you need them most. Technology should keep your operations running, not be the reason they stop. At Impress IT Solutions, we specialize in supporting manufacturing businesses with fast response times and proactive support that keeps your systems running. It starts with a discovery call, followed by a full assessment, then a tailored plan to keep your operations running without interruption, so you can stop worrying about IT and focus on growing your business with confidence. Schedule your discovery call with Impress IT Solutions today.